Please welcome to the stage Gabe Messercola, Martijn Verwoerd, Coleman White, and Elena Nikonova.
We'd like to have your attention for just a couple of minutes as a prelude to the next session, which is really focused on integrating DAC with energy. We, as project developers from Return Carbon, myself, and our partners have set up an arrangement where we access renewable power behind the meter for DAC developments. And Return Carbon is a project developer and a financier, so we work with partners that develop the DAC tech, partners that provide us the energy, partners that help on the sequestration, and then we focus on the financing with the network of investors that we have from our experience in doing project development and financing in solar and large-scale battery storage. Now we have essentially completed an agreement with EDF Renewables North America for behind-the-meter a PPA construct, which is an innovative way to source energy for our future DAC projects. Gabe here is going to tell you a little bit more about EDF's perspective on putting this deal together.
Awesome. Test. Here, switch mics. All right. Well, thanks, Martijn. Yeah, it's a very exciting moment for us here. We actually started working on this conceptually in the fall of 2023, and the first GDAC conference was where we began reaching out to counterparties with a request for information, looking to see if direct air capture was a near-term opportunity for co-location to renewables. So, and here we are with the deal. So it's been a busy year and a half working into this structure, but it's a deal structure we're really excited about. We've done this behind-the-meter co-location approach with a data center in Texas, so it's not our first rodeo here. But we wanted to diversify our approach and look at other Power-to-X opportunities, and what better synergy than carbon capture and renewable energy co-located. So I think the main value proposition from our perspective, EDF is a large global energy company. We're French state-owned. We have 18 gigawatts that we've developed, a 40 gigawatt pipeline, and over 300 projects in North America, wind, solar, battery storage. So a lot of assets, and a lot of these projects have wasted energy. The transmission system is not building fast enough, and we need to keep building projects. So we're both exposed to negative pricing in the market and curtailment, which is just completely lost power. So that power we can sell to local counterparties at very cheap rates, and it's green right there. So it's a great deal structure. Of course, the project has to align to the geology, but that's the approach. So we're excited. We have a site, and we're in progress now to get the agreement signed, all the final agreements signed this year.
Hi, we're Skytree. We're very excited to be a technology provider, DAC technology provider for this project. As you all know, energy is a very crucial piece for DAC, and that is the reason why we are not seeing as much deployment, why a lot of projects are canceled, and why, and also energy is a huge contributing factor to the operating costs of DAC. And that's why partnerships like this with EDF Renewables as a energy provider and an experienced project developer like Return Carbon are very crucial and very important. And I think ultimately, the model that works in this industry is when you try to concentrate on what you do best. So, as Skytree providing DAC technology, EDF developing renewable assets and providing power, Return Carbon developing and financing these projects, and then Verified Carbon providing the storage. So very excited to be a part of this, and off to Coleman.
Hello, everyone. My name is Coleman White. I'm the co-founder of Verified Carbon, along with Dr. Tip Meckel. We're a spin out of the University of Texas, actually. Again, super happy to announce this project along with our great partners. And what we do at Verified Carbon is we provide the sequestration expertise to really round out not only the renewables, the great hardware, the great development expertise, but having somewhere to sequester that carbon to create the most durable and permanent, in tandem, the highest quality carbon offset. So thank you all for being here, and we look forward to talking to you all.
Yeah, good. Yeah, applause, good. Yeah, so as a final note, of course, we're here announcing that this is kind of the first step in making this project a reality. It's also a blueprint for some of the other projects that we, have in the pipeline and how we can see that this can grow. But there's also, of course, a value in making sure that this is known for the market of buyers, right? So that's why making sure that kind of we demonstrate that this development is continuing also hopefully starts to spur demand such that we can kind of complete the whole financial arrangement for the project to be built. So thank you very much, and over to the next session. Cheers.